Functions of communication.
Do you ever wonder what is communication? According to McCormack, communication is a process of sharing and conveying messages or information from one person to another within and across channels, contexts, media, and cultures.
We have elements, there will be functions. We have five functions and these are regulations or control, social interaction, motivation, information, and emotional expression. But how is the regulation or control as the functions of communication?
Regulation and control is a function that controls someone's behavior or makes them do what you want them to do. It is like controlling or manipulating others through communication. Remember that you don't have to be rude. This function was utilized when you give orders or instructions, asking for permission, and many more examples.
Let's go to the second function. Social interaction is the key to survive our everyday life. We interact socially to have a better relationship with others and to have a harmonious environment.
Next in line is motivation, the third function of communication motivated or encourages people to live better or to keep going. Motivating is being shown when you believe in someone, you recognize efforts, and when you show appreciation.
The fourth function of communication is information. It is very essential for development. Having enough and accurate information we gather, we can adapt and adjust to the environment we live in.
And for the last function of communication, emotional expression. We feel lots of emotions to express verbally and not verbally.
When we are happy, we feel so excited. If we are sad, we can stop crying or staring at a particular object. If we are angry, we can avoid expressing too much anger and many more feelings.
And now you have learned something from us. We hope you have finally understood the functions of communication.